Top Priority has been around since 2005 when I started my business, going on 20 years pretty soon. I was doing just mainly solid surface. A lot of developers and general contractors came to me and said, we want you to do the stone for us as well. So that was my opportunity to open a stone shop. I ended up buying a cheap Chinese bridge saw and some Marmol hand routers and went to town. 2010, I went to the Stone Expo, walked over to the Park Industry booth, and it was crowded. Walked over to one of their competitors, and the booth was empty. They quickly showed me their router, sold me on it. We had our challenges with that machine manufacturer for sure. Just the challenges of customer service and everything. So I had hired an employee that mentioned Park Industry, and I remembered in the back of my head being in their booth and being how busy they were. So I reached out to Park and my sales rep, Brian, and it's been no looking back ever since. I keep buying machine after machine after machine, and quickly realized the potentials of Park Industry machines and fell in love with them for sure. We had moved from our old facility to our new facility and had the machines up and running the very next day. We hired Park to come in, knock down the machines. We had the riggers, move them over here. Park was right there, right behind the riggers, set them all up. It was done literally in 2 days. It was a pretty neat experience to go through. I don't want to do it again, but if I had to, at least I know that Park is there to help out with that. Javelin is my favorite for sure. It is hands down one of the best saws on the market today. The accuracy, the speed, just everything about it. Well, I initially considered purchasing another SaberJet XP. So we have redundancy and we can cut multiple slabs at the same time. My sales rep said, hold on, we have the perfect solution for you. So he introduced the Javelin to me when it came out. I saw that video and I was blown off my feet. The purpose of buying the Javelin was to increase productivity, to increase capacity, which it proves every day. The other day, my guys cut about close to 20 slabs in one day. We have a large shop, but we want to save on space. That compact layout, it was perfect for our application, our facility, and our production. Being able to walk around the whole table is hands down just the best. Miters are flawless. They come off the table perfect. It's amazing. The inside corners, whatever we need with the miter. It can handle a variety of different material types, from quartz to Dekton to quartzite, Taj Mahal even. Again, I can't say it enough. It's just the best dual table saw on the market today. Well worth the investment for sure. The Titans, the accuracy and the quality of the edging coming off those machines is just the greatest ever. So it's just really comfortable as the owner of the company to know that we put parts on a machine that come off ready to go out the door is a great feeling, really great feeling. I tell my guys, fill it up, when you can. There's times when you don't, fill it up all the way. You have a specialty job on there or something, but having two of them and having two beds, we're spoiled, you know what I mean? But we always try to keep those tables running, because when I hear those tables going, I know production is going out the door. So it's a good sound to hear every day from my office. I want another one. Honestly, I want another one. Our capacity has grown tremendously, especially with the Park machines that we have. So we're able to pump out a lot of square footage, a lot of throughput daily. Having 3 beds to put slabs on and cut every day. Now our bottleneck is just trying to get it laminated to the Titan, to get it on the Titan and out the door. It definitely makes me breathe a little easier at night, knowing that we have the capacity to fulfill any job, large or small. It's just endless what we can do. I've had many years of sleepless nights worrying about how we're going to get things out, and I can safely say that I sleep well now with knowing that we have the machines that can do it. It does allow me to spend more family time, and being able to throw a slab on a machine and let it do its work compared to back in the day when you put it on a bridge saw and have to turn the bridge saw table. So it's just a digital world, and be able to do that in the stone industry is, I can't see why any other fabricator wouldn't do it, honestly. We're just living the dream, you know, pumping out parts and installing kitchens and bathrooms, and we just love being a part of it. We stand out because we're the only fabricator that I know of in Hawaii that does stone and solid surface in-house. So we fabricate. We also service all of Hawaii. I'm just fortunate to have a great team, backs me and Top Priority, and is proud to be a part of this team. What owner would complain, right? It's a dream, right? It's phenomenal working with Park. When something happens to one of the machines and something goes down, customer support and tech support is awesome. There's no complaints from us. For a company that's out here in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, you know, things don't happen overnight with logistics now and how fast things can get to you nowadays. It's just amazing how we can have parts at our office the very next day. And be able to troubleshoot the machine and get it back up and running. So it's a relief knowing that there's a company like Park that can stand behind their product and service us to 100% of our expectation. Have machines that are reliable is key. Have a great team that can run these machines is key. Everybody being able to work together to get stuff out the door along with the machines is just my dream, you know, my dream come true. From sales to customer service to tech support, Park is the answer when it comes to buying machines for the stone industry. I don't see any other machine manufacturer even coming close to what Park can do.